Simon here from Zaletta Homes. Welcome to our high performance project out at Curlewis. Today we just want to run through a few aspects that have probably gone on through the week and what we're going to be talking about today. Behind me we've got our solar system. The solar system was originally designed and catered for in the original concept plans. It was also a must in the design, being an all-electric home. Our clients wanted to look at harnessing the energy, lowering their bills, and I guess not be restricted to rising costs of using power off the grid. Being a high-performance home, an all-electric home, it was essential to have solar system to assist with reducing the energy costs, reliance upon the grid, and being able to use clean energy all year round by using and harnessing the sun. Does the solar system work all year round? Well, yes it does. Solar systems work all year round. Obviously in the summer seasons, the solar is going to probably be at its highest peak. In the middle of the year, it's probably a little bit lower, and obviously as you get into winter, it's probably at its lowest point. But having a well-designed, good quality unit with battery backup, your solar systems are still very efficient during the winter season as well. Yes, in case you're wondering, solar systems work all year round. 3 things to consider is well-designed, battery backup, and a well-branded solar system. If you're considering putting a solar system on your roof, ensure you do install a good brand. You can probably expect 25 to 30 years out of these solar panels.